In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste frames in Grease Pencil. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced user of the Grease Pencil tool, understanding how to efficiently copy and paste both strokes and keyframes can significantly enhance your workflow and productivity. Let's dive right into it and start with the process of copying and pasting strokes or specific points. First, you'll need to be in object mode, so make sure your Grease Pencil object is selected. Once you have that ready, switch over to edit mode by pressing the tab key. This will allow you to interact more directly with the individual pieces of your Grease Pencil creation. Next, carefully select the strokes or points you'd like to copy. Remember, precision here is key, so take your time to ensure you're selecting exactly what you need. When you've made your selection, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy your chosen elements. Alternatively, if you prefer using menus, navigate to Grease Pencil and click on Copy. Now you'll need to decide where you want these copied elements to be pasted. Head over to the timeline and move to your desired frame by either clicking on it or using the arrow keys for greater accuracy. Once you're in position, paste your selection by pressing Ctrl+V, or by going to Grease Pencil and selecting Paste from the menu. Now that we've covered copying and pasting strokes, let's look at how you can do the same thing but for entire keyframes. Begin again in object mode with your Grease Pencil object selected. This time, you'll want to change up the interface a bit by switching the editor to the Dope Sheet. You'll find this option toward the bottom of your screen. The Dope Sheet offers a great way to view and manage your keyframes all in one place, making it easier to see the flow of your animation. With the Dope Sheet open, identify the keyframes you'd like to copy. Select them by clicking and dragging or hold down Shift to select multiple keys. Once selected, press Ctrl+C to copy them. Now, move your focus to the timeline and select your target keyframe channel, the spot where you want these keyframes to land. Position carefully so everything aligns with your creative vision. When you're ready, press Ctrl+V to paste these keyframes in place. And there you have it. You've now mastered the art of efficiently copying and pasting in Grease Pencil, both for individual strokes and entire frames. These techniques can save you considerable time and effort, particularly when working on complex animations or intricate designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial enhances your animation projects. Be sure to explore and practice these steps to fully integrate them into your animation workflow. Happy animating!